Yeah. So what is it that you really want? What's this outcome that you really want?
I'm looking at my avatars now. They're behind the camera.
Yeah.
And the outcome I want for now is that I will get this promotion with the financial benefits while working less hours.
Good. And V 2.0 you, who has that and is experiencing that, how is she different than current version of you? How does she feel differently? How does she think differently? What actions is she taking differently? What's the biggest difference between you and her?
She would be proud of expressing herself about the financial part of the promotion
Yeah.
instead of having doubts that things are not working out.
Okay. And that's what you want to work through is those doubts, right? You want to be that version of you now, even if physical reality is not mirroring that back to you
Yes. Yes. This is really cool.
yet. Awesome.
All right. Next one.
Yeah, go for it.
How do you open up for the unexpected? As I am a person who loves to plan, time is precious, and as we all work a lot, I used to work even more, and I'm heading to working less and having more time to spend money and have fun and be with the loved ones. How do you leave time, maybe, or moments for the universe to bring you the unexpected?
So, do you fear the unexpected?
No, it's more being eager for it.
Okay, so you feel like you're eager for the unexpected.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's a good place to be,
Yes.
right? So, what's your question exactly? So, so
Well,
that I make sure I
there's
can get this right.
nothing. It's that I'm having this fear that because I plan everything, there won't be any space for the unexpected.
And do you feel like you need to plan everything?
I do. I don't know why, but I
Okay.
do.
So, what's the first thing that pops in your mind when I say, I've got to plan everything out because if I don't,
I get, I lose time.
okay, so the belief is if I don't plan, then I won't make optimal use of my time.
Yes.
Okay. And how do you define optimal use of your time? Is it based on how much you get done? Is it
Yes.
based on how much pleasure you're experiencing?
Oh, that's a good question. I think how much I get done.
Okay. And how do you think your inner being would measure successful use of time?
Pleasure.
Pleasure. Absolutely.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So I think for you, it's about taking a step back and redefining success. Is
Mm.
success how much I get done in a day, or is success how much pleasure can I experience in a day?
I hope one day it will be only pleasure.
Well, it can be, right? Depending on your pleasure practice. So, do you drink coffee?
Yeah.
Okay. And when you drink your coffee, do you take the time to really, what's the word that I'm looking for? To really enjoy that cup of coffee, or do you just drink it on your run while you're trying to get 10 other things done at the same time?
No, my coffee is really my sacred moment. I have a cookie with it. It has
Good.
to have a cookie with it. And if I'm in a hurry, I prefer not to have my coffee.
Good. So, you take pleasure in your coffee.
Yes,
Good. And do you know why you take pleasure in your coffee?
because it's really good and everything that is good needs to be enjoyed.
Yes. And because you set your intent to slow down and enjoy your coffee.
That is correct.
So, what do you think would happen if for the next 2 weeks you decided to live your entire life with that same slow intent to enjoy whatever it is that's in front of you, regardless of what that thing is?
That sounds a bit scary.
Because if you could do that for a couple of weeks, I can almost guarantee it would completely change your life.